picking up the shield, there's a lot of trepidation. It's surprising how timely this series is. It's been an emotional experience.
There's all kinds of actually complex issues dealt in this that are very applicable to the times that we're in.
It really does make you feel like you've stepped into something that's bigger than you.
The goal was to be very grounded so that the super side of it became embedded in character. We were inspired by a team that flies through canyons. We spent several days pushing people out of planes.
There was a lot of thinking that went into how to get you into Puerto Rico and to figure out how to make it work seamlessly with the stuff that we shot in Prague.
Let's roll again, I'm on!
To be here with all the toys and with the actors who bring it all alive is just absolutely overwhelming. We can't be having this much fun.
Marvel Studios assembled The Making of the Falcon and the Winter Soldier. Original special streaming tomorrow. And all episodes of The Falcon and the Winter Soldier are now streaming only on Disney+.